So here's my Gotek, and it is on my Amiga 1200, and it will show up as blank empty. So I can eject it and then reinsert it, and it will come back. And then if we wait, it will disappear and come back again. It like ejects itself and re-puts itself back in. Of course, now that I've done all this, it'll probably take forever. So maybe I'll cut that part out of the video if it takes too long. See, it ejected itself and reinserted. So now it doesn't do that on the Amiga 500 with Workbench 3.1. This is Workbench 3.5. Also, if I boot up on the floppy Workbench 3.1 on the Amiga 1200, it gives me the same error. So it's something to do with this Amiga 1200.